late, very late at night. I knock on the door. Nobody answers. Then I open the creaking door to enter the house, and suddenly I listen to strange noises. A cat is meowing. A dog is barking.
Wow, wow, wow.
An owl is hooting. Someone is snoring. Someone is laughing. Someone is laughing.
How strange. I think is it a house or a psychiatric hospital? It's raining. Cats and dogs, the wind is blowing. And my car, well, I crashed. Into a tree and I need help urgently.
I take a deep breath. I'm going. I feel frightened. My teeth are chattering. And I can listen to the beating of my heart. I turn the light on and wait. There's a telephone on a sideboard. I walk very slowly and pick the telephone up. No, it doesn't work.
Suddenly someone screams. And I ran to the entrance, but I can't open the door. What happened? I wonder. Nobody answers.